Let's spend 1,000 pesos for my ukay-ukay adventure for today. Babawi ako this time kasi last time I spent 1,900 pesos around this area lang din sa Cebu. And girl, I wasn't happy talaga. Pinagaslight ko na lang yung sarili ko. Actually, this time meron na akong outfit inspo or pegs in mind. So, I'm really excited with this one. And sobrang happy ko kasi talaga namang nahanap ko yung pinipeg ko. So, this shop, buti na lang nakasale sila. Either 55 each or 55 pesos for 2. So, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip na kunin yung mga gusto ko. Although, hindi lahat yung kinuha ko kasi ayoko. Binibili ko lang yung potential pero hindi ko pa talaga siya masusuot. Sobrang dami kong nabili na Peter Pan colored na top and mga vest. Like, girl! Sa next video, gagawa ako ng my type of outfit na trend and sinasabi ko talaga sa'yo na worth it yung trip ko today. Again, if you're around Cebu City, Fuente, this is beside Watson's lang and I think Cyrus RTW shop yung name nila. And yung next na shop is the same owner lang din. Pero yung pinuntahan na namin dito is medyo mahal na. But I can say, sulit naman kasi magaganda yung quality and ang ganda ng mga display nila. Super daming shoes, boots, and my gosh, nakakuha ako ng Doc Martens na boots for 200 pesos. Original price was 980 but nakasale siya. So, let me know if you want a haul, but sure ako na I will do a challenge video after this.